Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change font size text on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. TikTok has quickly become one of the most popular social media apps. The program has been downloaded in over 115 countries and has over 1 billion users with a startling 200 million downloads from the United Kingdom alone. It's a favorite among those aged 13 and 40 who have flocked to the site in search of big audience and influence status. In my previous video, I've shown you how to create TikTok account, how to manage your account. But now, what if you want to change the text size on your TikTok account? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just go to your profile. You can go to the up right corner, the three lines over here. Select on settings and privacy. You can just scroll down. You can select on accessibility. From accessibility, you'll find there is an option text size. You can adjust the text size on the app. So if you want to make it bigger, you can just slide to right like this. Smaller, you can just slide to left. We'll make it bigger. Now you can just select on adjust. Adjust text size. If you choose to adjust, it will relaunch with update text sizing. So now you can see the differences after you uh, change the text size on your TikTok. Now it's bigger, right? So that is how to change the font text size on your TikTok account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.